Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best portable digital piano of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description. Product 188 Keys Portable Digital Piano. The 88 Keys Portable Digital Piano is a multifunctional electronic keyboard piano designed to cater to the needs of piano students and beginners in the world of musical instruments. With a full set of 88 keys, it replicates the standard keyboard of a traditional acoustic piano, offering a realistic playing experience. Despite its full-size keys, it is designed to be portable, making it a versatile and convenient option for musicians on the go or those with limited space. This digital piano offers a wide range of features and functions that can aid in the learning and practice of piano music. It often includes various instrumental sounds, pre-recorded songs, and educational modes to help beginners develop their skills. Many models offer connectivity options such as USB or MIDI, enabling users to connect the instrument to computers or other devices for recording, music composition, or integration with software and apps designed for music education. Musical instruments, making it suitable for a broad spectrum of music styles. This feature can be especially appealing to piano students, as it allows them to experiment with different sounds and musical genres. The portability of this digital piano means that it can be easily transported and set up in different locations, making it an excellent choice for students, teachers, or performers who need an instrument they can take with them to lessons, gigs, or practice sessions. In summary, the 88 Keys Portable Digital Piano is a versatile and multifunctional musical instrument that serves the needs of piano students and beginners. It offers a full-size keyboard with modern features and portability, making it a valuable tool for learning and practicing piano music. Product 2 Professional Electric Piano. A professional electric piano, often referred to as a digital piano or electric keyboard, is a versatile musical instrument that provides a wide range of features and capabilities for musicians, whether they are beginners, intermediates, or professional players. In the context of the paragraph you provided, the description appears to refer to a specific model with 61 keys, designed for portability, and potentially suitable for both children, teclado infantil, and adults. Here's an overview of the key aspects of a professional electric piano. Keyboard. A professional electric piano typically features a keyboard with a range of keys, with the mentioned model having 61 keys. Keyboards can vary in size, with some models having 88 keys to replicate the full range of a traditional acoustic piano, while others have fewer keys for more compact and portable designs. Sound generation. These digital pianos use advanced sound synthesis technology to produce high-quality piano sounds. They can emulate the sound of acoustic grand pianos, electric pianos, organs, and other instruments. Portability. Portability is a significant advantage of professional electric pianos. They are often lightweight and compact, making them easy to transport and suitable for musicians on the go. MIDI controller. Many professional electric pianos come with MIDI, musical instrument digital interface, capabilities. This allows the piano to be used as a MIDI controller to interface with music production software and hardware, making it a versatile tool for music production and composition. Versatility. Professional electric pianos often include a variety of built-in sounds and features, such as different instrument sounds, effects, and recording options. This versatility makes them suitable for various musical genres and styles, suitable for all ages. The mentioned electric piano is described as suitable for children, suggesting that it may have features or design elements that cater to young beginners. However, such keyboards are also suitable for adults and can be used by musicians of all skill levels. Product 3 Product name. 61-key portable electric piano keyboard set. The 61-key portable electric piano keyboard set is a versatile musical instrument designed to offer a compact and portable solution for aspiring musicians, beginners, and professionals alike. This keyboard set includes several essential accessories, making it a comprehensive package for those looking to play and practice the piano. The core of this set is the 61-key portable electric piano, which provides a wide range of keys for playing a variety of musical genres and pieces. With 61 keys, users can explore and practice a wide range of music, from classical to modern tunes. This keyboard is designed to be lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for musicians on the go. Included with the keyboard are a set of accessories to enhance the overall playing experience. These accessories include a pair of headphones, a stand, a stool, and a power supply. The headphones are perfect for private practice sessions, allowing use. A power supply ensures that the keyboard is always ready to play, whether at home or Product 5. Product name: electronic piano. An electronic piano, often referred to as a digital piano or electric piano, is a versatile musical instrument that combines the traditional feel and sound of an acoustic piano with modern electronic technology. This instrument is designed to replicate the experience of playing a traditional piano, while offering numerous additional features and benefits. The term electronic piano can encompass various types of keyboard instruments, including digital pianos, synthesizers, and electronic keyboards. Key features and components of an electronic piano typically include keyboards. Electronic pianos feature a set of keys that closely resemble those of an acoustic piano. These keys are velocity sensitive, meaning they respond to the force with which they are pressed, allowing for expressive and dynamic playing. Sound generation. Electronic pianos utilize various sound generation methods, including sampling and synthesis, to produce a wide range of instrument sounds, including piano, strings, organs, and more. High-quality samples and sophisticated synthesis engines allow for authentic and expressive sound reproduction. Portability. Many electronic pianos are designed to be compact and lightweight, making them more portable than acoustic pianos. They are suitable for musicians who need to transport their instrument for performances or practice. Polyphony. Electronic pianos offer polyphonic capabilities, enabling multiple notes to be played simultaneously. The level of polyphony varies among different models and affects the complexity of the music that can be created. MIDI compatibility. Electronic pianos are often equipped with MIDI, musical instrument digital interface connectivity, allowing them to interface with computers and other MIDI-compatible devices for recording, composing, and performing music. Built-in effects. Many electronic pianos come with built-in effects like reverb, chorus, and equalization, allowing musicians to shape and enhance their sound. Variety of voices. In addition to piano sounds, electronic pianos offer a wide range of voices and instrument tones, making them versatile for different musical genres and styles. Recording and playback. Some electronic pianos offer the ability to record and play back your performances, making them valuable tools for practice, composition, and music education. Product 4. Product name: musical instrument infant piano. The musical instrument infant piano, often referred to as the portable automaton musical keyboard, or the professional children's synthesizer electric battery musical instrument infant piano digital, is a unique and versatile musical instrument designed primarily for children, but also suitable for musicians of all ages. This instrument combines the features of a keyboard, a synthesizer, and an automaton, offering an exciting and educational music experience. The core of the musical instrument infant piano is its keyboard, which features a range of keys that allow users to play melodies, chords, and various musical notes. Unlike traditional pianos, this digital piano is portable, making it easy for children to carry and play wherever they go. Its small size and lightweight design make it a convenient choice for young aspiring musicians. In addition to the keyboard, this musical instrument incorporates elements of the automaton, a unique electronic musical instrument. The automaton typically features a simple, smiley face-shaped musical note head attached to a stem, which can be pressed and manipulated to create different pitches and tones. The musical instrument infant piano incorporates these elements, allowing users to enjoy the whimsical and interactive nature of the automaton while playing more complex tunes on the keyboard. The instrument is powered by batteries, which further enhances its portability and convenience. Users can take it with them to school, music lessons, or even on family trips, enabling them to practice and play music wherever they please. The digital nature of the instrument also opens up opportunities for various built-in features, such as different instrument sounds, rhythm patterns, and learning modes, which can assist children in their musical. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.